The average weight is up slightly from yesterday.
Good, the feed conversion looks efficient. We are on track.
Final adjustment complete.
Oxygen flow is optimal. Confirmed.
Vacuum sealing machines pack the chicken securely. Airtight packs extend shelf life.
Unused eggshell waste is collected separately. It is sent for safe disposal or recycling.
Ensure the temperature holds at exactly -20. It's a priority shipment, so stick to the schedule shown here.
The factory hatchery process officially ends here. Healthy chicks are ready for safe delivery.
Selected eggs enter the sanitization chamber. A light disinfectant mist removes surface bacteria. Selected eggs enter the sanitization chamber. A light disinfectant mist removes surface bacteria.
Processed chicken is chilled to preserve freshness. Temperature control ensures food safety. This supports healthy embryo growth.
Incubators and trays are cleaned thoroughly after use. Sanitization prepares the factory for the next batch.
That's the last crate for this row.
Okay, let's secure the straps before we head out.
Check the timing field again, right there.
Oh, God, adjusting now. Okay, looks good.
Perfect. Go ahead and submit for approval.
Eggs are aligned correctly inside incubation trays. Pointed ends face downward for proper embryo position.
inside the egg factory.
This egg will become food for millions.
The speed is good, but let's monitor the alignment on the next batch. Make sure the transfer is clean. Check the quantity here. 42. 42.
Yes, the date and time match on the tablet.
Arrival logged. Temperature confirmed.
Bring the next pallet forward slowly.
Rolling now.